Hi, welcome to HVAC for Life channel. In this video we are going to see about thermostat basics and its types and applications. A thermostat is a device used to control the temperature of a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system. It senses the current temperature and compares it to the desired set point, then activates the heating or cooling equipment to maintain the desired temperature within a specific range. Types of thermostats: mechanical thermostats, digital thermostats, programmable thermostats, smart thermostats, Wi-Fi thermostats, mechanical thermostats. These are traditional thermostats with a simple mechanical design. They use a bimetallic coil that expands and contracts with temperature changes to activate the heating or cooling system. Mechanical thermostats are easy to use but may not offer precise temperature control. Digital thermostats. Digital thermostats have a digital display and electronic controls. They provide more accurate temperature readings and often come with programmable features, allowing users to set different temperatures for different times of the day. Programmable thermostats. Programmable thermostats allow users to set a schedule for heating and cooling, adjusting the temperature based on occupancy patterns. This feature helps save energy and money by reducing heating or cooling when the space is unoccupied. Smart thermostats. Smart thermostats are internet-connected devices that can be controlled remotely through smartphones or other smart devices. They offer advanced features like learning the user's preferences, providing energy usage reports, and integrating with home automation systems. Wi-Fi thermostats. Similar to smart thermostats, Wi-Fi thermostats enable remote control through a Wi-Fi connection. They may lack some advanced features found in smart thermostats but still offer convenience and energy savings. How to select a thermostat? Check compatibility with your HVAC system. Decide on the type: mechanical, digital, or programmable. Look for user-friendly interfaces and clear displays. Prioritize programmability for energy savings. Choose a design that complements your home. Consider the warranty and budget. Thermostat installation tips. Location: place it away from direct sunlight, drafts, and heat sources. Wiring: check compatibility with your HVAC system's wiring. Leveling: install it level for accurate readings. Power source: use batteries or wired power as required. Stability: ensure a secure mount for stability. Compatibility: check if it works with your heating and cooling equipment. C-wire: confirm a C-wire for smart thermostats or find a compatible alternative. Network: ensure a stable network connection for smart or Wi-Fi thermostats. Follow instructions, read and follow the user manual carefully. Testing: test its functionality thoroughly after installation. Calibration: calibrate if necessary for accurate temperature control. Applications of thermostats: temperature control in HVAC systems, energy efficiency and savings, personalized comfort and convenience, zoning control for targeted heating cooling, greenhouse temperature regulation, data logging for analysis, integration with home automation, remote access via Wi-Fi, industrial and commercial HVAC control, protecting HVAC systems from strain. I hope this video helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe HVAC for Life channel.